Music, music.
Take now. And 1, 2, 3, go.
Whenever you're ready.
Okay. One, oh God, there's a bike.
Okay.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, go.
Okay, ma'am, ready? Ma'am, waiting for your call.
Okay, go.
Look into the camera. Okay, sorry, 1 second. आजा टैप कर. हाँ ठीक है. Okay, open the door. Correct.
Okay, so the second part, just
As soon as I move out, please open the door. Open.
Once again hit my head.
Okay, no. And walk. Okay. Got it? Yeah, ready? नहीं रुक जा. Yeah, she can. No, the car is fine. Rolling.
Shravan, after this is done, we need 5 interior shots.
Yes.
okay.
And go.
Go.
Go, Ken. This is impossible.
Show me that.
Guys, ready?
Yes.
We rolling
Yeah.
Okay.
and out. One second. Sorry, that was too fast. Can we do a little slower?
Wait, sit back.
Can you put your hand down, please? Yeah. Okay, we're rolling. Look in the front. And out. And slow walk. Keep walking. The doors open.
Nice.
Walk along. Yes, ma'am, ready.
Okay. Afzal walk. Banu walk. Revati walk.
Got it. Okay, done. Chalo. Okay.
Out.
Second one out.
Nice. Keep walking. Don't stop. Open.
Open legs.
Keep walking.
Okay, guys. Release kar do.
Okay. Shravan, tell me when.
Rolling and open.
Wait. All these cars and bikes. Girls ready?
Let's go.
Out.
1, 2, 3, go.
Out. Walk.
Next.
Closer to the car.
Go closer in.
Yes, everybody walk.
And now walk through that. Yeah. Got it. Okay,
Okay.
I need one shot. Just come.
Yep, go for it.
I see. Oh, with the sun.
One second. Sorry, my bad.
This is solo.
Go for it.
Nice. And then keep walking. And now walk faster. Nice. Got it. Done. Thank you.
Yep. Look into the camera. And sorry. Once again.
Does she follow the camera?
Yes.
Follow the camera.
Yes, sir.
Okay, done.
Shravan,
For one sec.
this now, just like this.
Bring
stage
that.
shot.
Everybody out from behind, please. Can you come in the center? Center.
Come up again a little, Avriti.
Yeah.
Okay.
I know it's hard.
Yeah, I understand.
Alright, give me a card, I'll come.
Okay, cool.
Relax your fingers.
Everybody out from the frame and go.
Okay, come on.
Come out. Let's do it.
Organically take the batching, huh? Don't make it.
Yes, sir. Ma'am.
Avriti, follow this one. Okay, let's go.
Yes, whenever you're ready.
And then
Walk
that
out.
way, along that line.
Keep walking. Sir, हाँ बोलिए.
I'm not looking into the camera.
You are.
I am?
Yes. And look. One sec, bro. One
I'll tell
sec.
you to get out. No, they're not there. Okay, let's go. Stop. Now. Cut. Okay. Now, okay, you stand.
Clear the frame, please.
I'm in heel.
Rolling.
Let's go.
And come out. Out. Yeah, 1 sec. Roll, set, and out. And out.
Yeah. What happened?
You just...
Oh. Rolling and out. And prep. Second out. And walk.
Raj, follow.
Got it.
Nice. Okay, done. So we have.
More on mid shot.
Ready, guys?
Yeah. Okay.
Everybody out of the frame, please.
Out. Wait. Sir.
Guys, ready? And walk along with me.
Now walk 2 steps. Nice. Okay.
Faisal, no, one second, I want to do this again. Faisal, a little more.
And rolling. Walk.
Okay. So just do one. Just you guys walk here.
Ready, guys? Okay, we're rolling.
Nice. Done. Okay. Shall we?
Yes, sir. Can I have both of you looking into the camera? And set out.
Okay, please cover.
Oh, there's a nail out there.
Ready, sir?
Let's go.
Look into the camera, please. And set out.
That's perfect actually. Nari, what happened to your hand?
I know, I was trying to find my pocket.
And set out. Got it?
Okay, done.
And pose and set out. And walk, walk, walk. Lower. Cut.
And you're
Rolling.
doing the full body?
I'm doing the close-ups.
While they're moving, no?
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
Okay. Ready, sir.
Let's go, action. Yeah.
And move.
Move your body, yeah.
Out, 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 out. Back. Sorry, sorry.
Yeah, cross over. Cross over, yeah. Okay, so stop. Let me see what it is, sir. We'll do some static with two people.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Rolling. So ready.
Rolling, ready guys, and action.
And crossover.
Come closer to each other.
Guys, we need to be a lot more closer. Rolling.
Just move a little bit.
Yeah, open out.
Yeah, just a bit. Yeah, come on.
Sir, you're in the frame.
Let's go.
Okay. And action. Cluster, cluster,
Closer,
cluster,
closer,
cluster.
guys. Walk past each other.
Yeah, center one move.
Nice, okay. Got okay, now this three, neon three, from 1, 2, 3.
थोड़ा किधर गए थे?
We are ready, let's go.
Rolling. And everybody action. Ma'am counts.
And Raj, Revati go down and Raj jump.
Oh, that was not on the
You
count.
just walk through.
You don't have to.
No, that's okay, so don't worry.
Guys, come closer, please. Okay, you need to go behind. Sorry, you're covering her face.
Hold on. Wait. Show me the shoulder. Cover her a bit.
No, sir. I'm getting shadow on her face.
Okay. Then.
Yep.
Okay, can you? I want a little bit of this to be seen and then we pull out.
Ah,
okay?
we can.
Okay,
We can.
do that.
Rolling. Everybody clear from behind?
Yeah.
Move out.
1, 2, 3.
Raj jump.
Nice. Okay. You get that?
Yes, sir.
You got it?
Wait,
Ready?
You're going to be taking how much
I'll be going up and down
up and
completely.
down, no?
Yeah.
Because I'll be showing the.
Yeah. Okay. First, I'm doing only the face. Hold. Okay. Slightly slower. Yeah. Now we go mid. Yeah. Some more energy. Yeah, nice. Bottoms.
Okay. Cover.
Yes, sir.
Take from low. Take a
Hmm.
high angle also with her on top of that.
Okay, now I'll go from close to bottom, okay?
Yeah.
Whenever you're ready, look here.
Yeah.
And start.
Yeah.
Got it?
Can you go a little lower, sir?
Yeah, I can. Yeah, can you give me that kick once again when I tell you? And give me the kick. Sorry, once again. Yeah, give me the kick. Got it.
Okay. Who's next?
Next
wait. Let
Rolling.
Yep. Nice. Same way from just come from there. Yeah, that's nice. See, pick up from this way and then come this way. Okay. Yeah. Come on, just just. Okay. Got it. Chalo.
Okay.
Anita, just single of yours. Come on. You can do that too. Single. More posy single one.
Posy you want?
Ready for some action?
You want me to? Let me know.
Yeah. 1, 2, 3. Keep doing, keep doing. Continue, continue.
The voice of Anita when you're getting out of the car. That same
Nice.
group should come. So we have that continuity. Okay.
Got it? So you'll just have to play how you played just now.
But I have boys now. I can't really play with them.
Go for it.
Okay. Yeah. Don't go too far. Yeah. Nice. So do one where you are just static and let little closer. Yeah, little closer, guys. Come, all of three. Yeah.
No, I can change my magnification. Y'all can be there.
Yeah.
We're rolling, guys. Whenever y'all are ready.
Come up front. Yeah, now bus. That one. Come on, let's go. Now just keep on moving slowly. He will do. I'll tell you to stop. Yeah, different poses, guys. Yeah, use the hood. Pull it out. Put it over. Give me a shot. Yeah, give me a shot of the hood on the side like this. Side look into the lens. Yeah, nice. Yeah, like that. Come on.
Yeah, this is nice.
Yeah. Cool. Move in. Back. What's your name? Sorry. Move. Yeah. Look down and walk in. Look down and move past. Yeah.
Guys, everybody can do actions. Yeah.
You're on.
Yeah, we are on from long back. Guys, also try to keep the frame balanced. Let's not make it empty. Yes, nice.
Yeah.
Yeah, some more reactions.
Yeah. Nice. Nice. Lovely. Yeah. Cool.
Got it.
Okay. Now give me a shot of all three of them. 1, 2, 3, guys.
Hey, what is this? Jogging?
Jogging
Energy?
you're doing. Run. Energy.
Sprint.
Little more this thing, guys. Come on. Little closer, guys. Front and back a bit. Not in the straight line. One in front, one back. Another in front a bit. Okay, buzz. 1, 2, 3. Let's go. Go tight. Nice. Got it. Thank you. Done. Next group.
Can we sit down and listen to
Yeah, you can do all of that.
because they have to
Yeah.
go.
Come on. Let's go. Action. Come on. Pose, guys. Come on. Move. Yeah. Little more closer. More. Come a little more inside. Yeah. Come in a little more inside.
Y'all can come towards the camera also.
Close onto the face and all. Yeah.
Do we need all models for this kind of thing or only some? We don't. No, they're not done. So come.
How do you need him in a shot? Can I take them for social media? You need him out.
Has he finished?
Come on, guys. A little more action. Yeah. Look like you've eaten something.
Sir, frame.
He did, I thought we were
Run,
doing
jump.
all move.
Do a little jump in the air, guys. Can someone jump? Nobody can jump.
Okay.
Wow. I mean, guys.
But how? Like this?
You can. Yeah.
No,
you
no,
can.
no,
You
just
can jump and all that. What you do?
Yes.
Is, someone,
Jumping,
too
kicking,
much
all
gap.
of it.
Little more closer. Come to the right. Yeah. Come in. Yeah. Nice. Okay. Let's go.
Even I should
Jump. Okay. When she's jumping, can everybody else kick?
Okay.
Y'all are ready? 1, 2, 3, kick. Got it.
So out. Just when you. Okay. That's it. Okay. Okay, done.
Done?
Some more. 2, 3. Let's go.
Come closer.
Come
You're
on,
not
little
even in the
closer.
frame.
Come on, darling. Come on, a little closer, yeah. Yeah.
Yeah. So see what is happening is yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. This is good. Yes.
Yeah. Now do whatever you have to. Come on.
Yeah. Somebody else can take the lead now. Yeah.
Wow. Guys, you need to learn a lot more of body work if you're going to be models in life, man. This way you're fucking never going to be a model. Okay, come on. Come. Just stand individually. Come. Come. Face that way. Face that way. Face that way. Turn your body around. Now turn around slowly to this. Come on. Do a slow shot. I want to see, a little bit of the focus on this, and when she turns around, I want to see.
Yeah. When you turn, you have to take your hoodie up.
Just wait. Just give me start from here like this and turn around slowly like this and turn. Okay.
Yeah.
So I get to see the.
Can you turn a little more?
Yeah. Come on.
Yeah. Turn.
Turn around slowly.
No. So I need to see the. Yeah. Turn and hold. Turn.
All of us?
Yeah. Done.
Okay. Done.
Okay. No, wait. I want Akriti also with you all. Two of you can also do it.
No, you can do it. Come. Let's do it. Come on, guys.
I'm all set. Ready. Rolling.
Okay, ready. Roll.
Whenever you guys are ready. Some more action. Yeah.
More action. Little more closer, guys. Walk into the camera now, both of you.
Hold. Yeah. Turn. Hold.
Wait a minute.
Hold.
Come in.
Yeah.
Yeah. Both of you, together. Wait, hold on. Just stand here. Come. Stand. Come.
Yeah. And turn. Nice.
Yeah.
So now you can leave go. Do we leave him? No, he's not done here. He's done one here. Who else is left? Anybody left?
Okay, now
Got
walk
it.
towards the camera. Walk past him. Okay, do the same shot and a little lower angle, mid shot. Yeah.
Come closer and walk out.
Come a little closer. Come on, wait. Come on, wait. Tighter. Okay, come on. Now do a mid shot for me. Lower angle. Yeah. Come on. Walk. Nice. Done. Good.
Once again, can you come closer and then move out?
Yeah.
Come more closer to the camera together and then move out.
Okay. I want some close-up single shots of her with her hair like that and the face and that kind of stuff. We'll do it.
Yeah, and walk in. Come closer and out. Okay.
Nice. Some fashion language, body language, kind of move the hand, body. Yeah, all that.
Yeah, whenever you're ready. Got it?
Okay, done. Come. No, come. Do a shot of two of you together. Put your hand in the pocket, little shoulder. Yeah, that's nice attitude. Yeah, cool.
Change.
Hi, Shahrukh.
Yeah, you can pan down his trousers.
Hold it.
Okay, done. Let's do a single of him. Come.
Yeah. Thank you.
Thanks, man. Come. Nice. Yeah. So just do a nice round pan. It'll look cool. Don't change your angle. All right. Look straight at me. he will do the right kind of stuff. Let him pan around.
Got it.
Face shot, just a face shot, like, you know, fall here.
Mm-hmm.
Let him take like this all the way down. Yeah? And you look straight. Yeah.
Ready, buddy?
Yeah. Done. Okay, so like a few bomber jacket. Yeah. Nice.
Got it.
Got it.
Thank you, sir. Done. So coming in the frame, please. Yeah. Got it.